In the previous video, we learned that healthy mitochondria are essential for the normal function of every cell. But what happens when these tiny organelles fail to produce enough energy? The answer is a group of conditions known as mitochondrial diseases. These disorders occur when mitochondria cannot generate sufficient ATP to meet the needs of the cell. Since every organ depends on energy, mitochondrial disease can affect many parts of the body at the same time. The organs most commonly affected are those with the highest energy demands. The brain, muscles, heart, eyes, and nervous system require a continuous supply of ATP to function properly. When that supply is reduced, symptoms may include muscle weakness, poor coordination, vision or hearing problems, seizures, developmental delays, or heart disorders. The exact symptoms vary depending on which cells are most affected. Some mitochondrial diseases result from mutations in mitochondrial DNA, while others are caused by changes in genes located in the cell nucleus. Although these genetic changes have different origins, they can all interfere with the proteins required for normal mitochondrial function. Scientists have identified many mitochondrial disorders, including Leigh syndrome, MELAS, and Leber Hereditary Optic Neuropathy, often called LHON. Each condition affects the body differently, but they all share the same underlying problem: an insufficient supply of cellular energy. At present, there is no single cure for most mitochondrial diseases. Treatment usually focuses on managing symptoms, supporting affected organs, and improving quality of life. Researchers are also investigating new approaches, including gene-based therapies and mitochondrial replacement techniques. These diseases remind us that even though mitochondria are microscopic, their role is enormous. When the cell's energy system begins to fail, the consequences can be felt throughout the entire body.